Good evening, next padlock. This is the second lock that Potti sent to me. This is the Lockwood from Australia. What I mentioned in the presentation video from the package opening is that there is a screw here which I'm fairly certain that holds this the core, and here on the sides we see some very strange holes, and all the plugs for the chambers have holes in them. And I found in one of the bags this bolt. I wasn't sure for what it is, and Potti was nice. He told me that actually I can insert here the bolt and screw it in, and I can actually remove the plugs so that I can see what are the pins inside. So having said that, let's give it a go and try and pick it. Works quite well. The spring needs changed, I guess, because it's not that strong, but other than that, the key, the lock works very fine. That's the bitting, and let's give it a go and pick it open. So starting from the back, 5 nothing, 4 nothing, 3, give us a click, 2 nothing, 1, give us a counter rotation, very good ones. So we have this one, we have a full set now, pressing number 3 again, that's number 5. This is this distinctive click, and then pressing number 2 opens the lock. So fairly a nice pick, but if you don't pay attention for the full set on the last spool on number 5, you will have problems picking it. Okay, let's start with the gutting, and I will start with this bolt here. Okay, that was number 3. One, 2, 3, 4. And that's key pin number 4. Honestly, okay. And here we have the corpse itself. Okay, so I have no idea how I'm gonna assemble this back, but let's have a look. That's an interesting core. That's something that fell from the side. This is some kind of a guard protection, I assume. Exactly, this is the anti bypass thing, and I can see people have tried to bypass it, seeing the markings here. Or it's maybe just scratches from when people were picking it. Otherwise, very standard core. Very ingenious design. Really nice to see what's inside the lock. Here are all the pins, how they look. Very nice. There's some giant pins. So On the key pins we have 4 standards and 1 torpedo pin, and we have 2 spools, so number 1 and number 5, exactly as I felt them. So Potti, thank you very much for the chance and for the explanation how to actually get this lock. Otherwise this could have been a much shorter video. So how the heck am I gonna assemble this back? Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.